स्टैंडर्ड 8 सब्जेक्ट साइंस चैप्टर 2 है माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स फ्रेंड एंड फो, उसके दोस्त और दुश्मन। इसके बारे में चैप्टर था, एक्सप्लेन हो गया, इसकी डिफाइन मैंने करवा दी, शॉर्ट आंसर करवा दिया। आज मैं इसके आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन शॉर्ट वो करवा रही हूँ जो आपको करने हैं, ठीक है। वेयर डू माइक्रोनिजम्स लिव? आंसर है माइक्रोनिजम्स लिव अंडर ऑल टाइप्स ऑफ एनवायरमेंट ranging from ice cold climate to hot springs and deserts to marshy lands. They are also found inside the body of animals, including humans. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms while others exist freely. Some can live alone while others may live in colonies. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 है स्टेट कमर्शियल एंड मेडिसिनल यूज ऑफ माइक्रोनिजम्स। आंसर है माइक्रोनिजम्स कमर्शियल यूज ऑफ माइक्रोनिजम्स। नंबर 1 है दे आर यूजफुल इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वेरियस डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स सच एज कर्ड, चीज, पनीर एक्सेट्रा। नंबर 2 ईस्ट इज यूज इन द बेकिंग इंडस्ट्रीज फॉर मेकिंग ब्रेड्स, पेस्ट्रीज एंड केक्स। Next number 3, microorganisms are used on the large scale for the production of alcohol, wine, acetic acid means vinegar. Medicinal use of microorganisms. Number 1 है production of antibiotics can be done by culture of specific microorganisms. A number of antibiotics are being produced from bacteria and fungi. Such antibiotics are used to treat cure different diseases. Next number 2, vaccines. Vaccines are made on a large scale from microorganisms to protect humans and other animals from several diseases. Next question number 3, how is vaccine produced and how is it help to prevent the occurrence of disease? Vaccine is produced with the use of dead or weakened disease causing microorganisms under the observation of experts. Dead or weakened microbes introduced as vaccine in a healthy body. The body fights and kills them by producing suitable antibodies. The antibodies remain in the body and we are protected from the disease causing microbes. This is how vaccine help to us to prevent from the occurrence of disease. Next question number 4, state any 4 usefulness of bacteria. नंबर 1 है इसका आंसर यूजफुलनेस ऑफ बैक्टीरिया। नंबर 1 है टू मेक मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक कर्ड, चीज, पनीर एक्सेट्रा। नंबर 2, निट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरिया एग्जाम्पल रिजोबियम फिक्स एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन इनटू द सॉइल एंड मेक द सॉइल फर्टाइल। नेक्स्ट नंबर 3, दे decompose sewage waste and other organic waste and convert them into simple substance. Number 4, to prepare vaccine and antibiotics. Number 5, state any 4 uses of fungi. The uses of fungi, number 1 है it is used to prepare bread and cake in a bakery. Number 2, yeast is used to prepare alcohol by fermentation process on natural sugars, wine from fruit juice and dhoklas. Idli and dosa from the mixture of flours of rice and pulse. Number 3, penicillin is obtained from the fungus Penicillium. Number 4 है some species of fungi known as mushroom are used as a food. Next question number 6 है how does common cold spread? How do you prevent the spread of it? Answer है when a person suffering from common cold sneeze find droplets moisture carrying thousands of viruses are spread in the air. The virus may enter the body of a healthy person while breathing. We should keep a handkerchief on the nose and mouth while sneezing. It is better to keep a distance from infected persons. Next number है how is housefly responsible for the spread of a disease? Answer है housefly is a carrier of disease causing microbes. The flies sit on the garbage and animal excreta. Pathogens stick the other bodies. When these flies sit on uncovered body, they may transfer the pathogens. Whoever eats the contaminated food is likely to get sick. By this way, housefly is possible for the spread of disease. Next number है how can we control the spread of malaria or dengue? Female Anopheles mosquito acts as a carrier of malarial parasites, and female Aedes mosquito acts as a carrier of dengue virus. To control the spread of malaria or dengue, we should control the carriers. This can be done by following. Answer है several microbes cause disease in other animals along with human. Anthrax is a dangerous cattle disease caused by a bacterium Bacillus anthracis. Foot and mouth disease are cattle caused by a virus. Next, explain about plant diseases. Answer है several microorganisms cause disease in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, etc. The diseases reduced through the yield of crops. Some such plant diseases are as follows. Plant diseases can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the microbes. Next question है write a short note nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen fixation occurs by two ways. Number one है chemical fixation. Very less amount of atmospheric nitrogen gets fixed through the action of lightning. Number two है biological fixation. Rhizobium lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants such as beans and peas, which means it has a symbiotic relationship. Rhizobium involved in the fixation of nitrogen in leguminous plants pulses. Blue-green algae example Anabaena and nostoc also fix nitrogen from soil. ये आपका क्या हो गया? आज शॉर्ट आंसर करवा दिए. नेक्स्ट मैं आपको गिव रीजंस करवाऊंगी. ठीक है, ये आपको लर्न करना है और लिखना है. थैंक यू.